This is the fifth video in this series, and this video is going to show you how to fix some of these problems like what we have right here. That is a problem. We want to fix it. Okay, there's no way I can predict every single problem that we're going to encounter. I'm actually fortunate that it came out this easy. A lot of times there's a lot of extra work you got to do to fix spots like this. But sometimes the computer doesn't quite read everything like you want it to do. So I'm going to go here to my front, kind of a front elevation here, and what I'm going to have to do is draw another wall on top of wall 2. Okay, so this is like way up here on this level. I'm going to draw another wall from here to about right there, and then I'm going to go inside and do some further editing to do that. Okay, so I'm going to go to my level top of wall 2 and click on walls, and I'm still with this particular wall right here, and I want to match this up, which is going to be the best. I'm thinking to go right here. I'm trying to imagine what this wall is looking like in real life. I think I want to start here. I'm going to draw this way, and I can move that if I need to. I'm going to draw it, actually I'm just going to draw it to about right here, which is about where the peak is. Okay, and I'm going to hit the escape button and I'm going to go back to 3D. Alright, so this is giving me pretty much what I want. Let me see how how it's coming out over here, and so far that's almost what I want. Okay, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to change this wall. I'm going to change the wrap on this wall. I don't think I can change it individually. What I'm going to have to do is go into let's go into edit type, and then I'm going to wrap at ends. So right now it says none, so I'm going to change that to exterior only, apply, and OK. Alright, now you see here how it kind of wrapped around right there. With this, I'm going to click on this, attach top to base, and boom. Now I've filled in that gap so far, but right now if I click on that wall, I'm going to have a little bit of wall on the inside of my house. I don't want that. Okay, so I'm going to double click, and it just asks me this. Revit removes the top and base attachments prior to editing the profile of the wall. So I'm going to click close and say OK. I'm going to let that happen. What I am going to edit though, however, I'm coming here, I'm going to pull this up to about right in the middle of that roof. Do this. I'm going to delete that line, and I'm going to delete this line. So we just start from scratch on those. Alright, so I'm going to draw from here up to here. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. Draw from here to here, and then from here to here. Escape, and then I'm going to shorten this line up here. Click OK. It says can't keep walls joined. Unjoin element. That's OK. I'm going to click here, attach top to base, and boom. It won't let me do that. So I'll have to double click and just do some more manual adjustments here. So I'm going to delete that line. Alright, and I'm just going to finish drawing this line all the way up to here. Get it about even with that one. And I'm actually going to see what it'll do. Maybe now I'm going to do this. Okay, and of course what we're doing right now is problem solving. That's what you're going to have to do. Okay, I'm not liking the way this wall is wrapping. I'm not getting my brick texture. Okay, so I finally fixed the problem to get my bricks to go all the way up to the top and for everything to wrap here. As you remember earlier, I changed this, went into edit type, and changed it to wrap at the ends. Well, I went back and reversed that. So I went back and reversed changing that to wrap. What I did, however, do to get that to work is I went in here and I moved this wall.
and I deleted the wall that I went back and drew in that spot.
I moved it back some. It was actually a little bit sticking into this roof part right here. So I moved it backwards so all the bricks could come all the way through. I moved it even right here with this line. And so going back to my 3D view, you see now I have bricks going all the way to the top. However, I've created another problem, which there's actually only one way to solve this, is with my overhang up here. I have my overhang up top, but I do not have it right here. So I'm gonna have to go and make some repairs to that as well. There's only one way that I can think about that for that to be fixed, and I will, as soon as I fix it, I'll kind of come back and tell you what I did.